testing is engineering. It's not a separate function, it's not a separate department. You have professional engineers that work to create code, and you have professional engineers that work to assure quality. And I think there's a difference between quality assurance and quality control. And that's lost in a lot of organizations.
When we do testing with a lot of features on a software, it takes a lot of time, right? I mean, we need to do the testing for each functionality manually one by one, and then it takes time.
It's not just about finding the things that are wrong, it's about finding really anything that's not excellent.
So we get the technical information from the engineers, we got the business information, and also we get the user expectation of how the app will work in the end.
That's why currently we're going to implement the automated testing. This one is we will use the script, we will create the codes to test the functionality of the system automatically. So we will create the test case inside the script, I mean inside the code, and then when we run the code, it will test all the functionality automatically, and it will be more effective than the manual testing.
The best QA are people that actually see themselves as the customer. So they're not just thinking in terms of, is this correct and did we do what we said we were going to do? But they're looking at it from the customer perspective and really seeing outside the box.
Testing is the process to check the quality and the performance of a software in order to make sure that the software that we have built already meet the requirement, already meet the client's requirement.
We as a tester needs to test things ahead from its time. So when there's a new technology come out and is still on beta stage, we already try to implement that, and we already test that at the development level.
There's a fun sort of philosophy of engineering book that I love called "To Engineer is Human." And part of what it emphasizes is that failure is an integral part of the engineering process. And you need to plan for failure. And if you plan for failure correctly, it is just part of how you do it.